We're here at Kevin Gorby's secret bunker lair under Mall of America right now. He got something in the mail that I'm pretty excited about. I know he is too. I had to make him wait, what, a couple hours to open it?
Yeah.
Couple hours. We're grown men about to play with fire. Cue that montage. So how long did you wait for this thing?
I think I've been waiting 6 months for this. I missed all of the pickup dates that they had down in California, so I had to wait for them to actually start shipping them. So I think luckily I'm one of the first people they shipped to. Oh, it's cool so far. You ready?
Let's do it. What was that?
I got $5 too. Dear Not So Boring customer, Delores has spoken, and due to shipping restrictions, we can't mail your glorious propane fuel. To make it up to you, we've included some cold hard cash so that you can stroll down to your local store and stock up on some nice C3H8. You'll be looking for a 1 so there's no tank. Okay, that's okay. I can work with that. Oh, that is nice. Ooh. It's got good weight too.
It's like what Elon Musk does when he's bored. It's like, hey, I'm about to launch a rocket. I need some fuel for that rocket. Let's just make a flamethrower.
Yeah.
Pay for this long rocket launch. You should change that to Gorby Tech. Like customize it.
I think what I'm gonna end up doing is, because I have a little company named Gorby Tech, which is mostly futuristic small arms, these plates are just glued on. So you can see, I'm just gonna pop this off. I think I am going to design and 3D print my own Gorby Tech tag and stick that on there. I think that's the finishing touch this thing needs. Other than that, this thing's awesome.
We need propane, man.
All right, so we need to go to the store and get some propane, obviously.
Can we take your bus?
We can take the bus.
Yes!
That Elon Musk flamethrower.
Oh yeah, okay.
I just got mine.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's what you're looking for?
That's what I'm looking for. No black. Blue is probably closest. I'll
Spray paint that.
I can spray paint that.
All right, we got propane. It's fire time. Yeah. So
all right.
Walk me through the process of how to actually get this to work.
We have the boring, not a flamethrower. Now, apparently, when they ship it, they aren't able to ship the tank, so we had to go purchase a tank, but they are kind enough to give us $5 in the box, which covers the cost of the tank. It's actually a pretty easy setup.
Screw it in.
Screw our tank in, slide it into this metal bracket. Now there's an on-off control switch right here. You can hear it start to fire. And once it's going, we can click it on. Right now I have it set pretty low. This right here, this is the regulator, controls the flame, so we can turn it up or down from right here. Pretty simple setup actually.
And what's the trigger do?
And then that allows us to control the flame. Opens it up a bit. I think our tank's running a bit low. We've been playing with it too much.
Yeah.
On the ground?
That didn't work. Give me a rope out and burn too. I didn't think that through.
And then to shut it off, we'll turn this back off. You see it deplete. That's it.
It's easy. Any mom, child can do it, huh?
Oh yeah, easy enough for my 5-year-old to come out and play with it. I don't want to give her this. She's too cynical, man. I could see her doing the whole Rambo. Ah! Yeah. That's sweet. I love it. I love it. Holy crap.
I can feel it from here. Oh, like Ripley from Alien. Doesn't go out.
Oh my god, this is probably not good for the general public to own.
Do you feel like a man now?
I do. Is this what people with guns feel like?
You guys approve?
Do you like it, Juju?
I love the fire.
Yeah. I knew you would.
You're gonna kill yourself.
You're my destructive girl.
On fire, burn down people's houses.
No.
Burn them down. That's not good.
Very sinister child.
I wonder where she gets it from. How often do you use it, though? Today only?
This will probably be it. I'm probably going to stick it over my computer. I'm going to build a nice rack and just stick it right over the computer so I can look at it every day.
After you customize it?
After I'm going to do some customizing. A little Gorby Tech nameplate here. Paint this tank black.
You gotta have a barbecue, though.
I'm going to have a barbecue.
And do that. Invite me over.
All right. We'll have a flamethrower barbecue. I need to find someone else that has one.
I almost bought one, but they sold out really fast.
Well, you can't get them. I mean, you can get them on eBay for like $3,000 now.
Really?
They're a collector's item now.
Thanks for letting me play with your flamethrower.
Oh, anytime.
Or it's not a flamethrower.
It's not
what they call it?
Not a flamethrower.
A garden something?
No, it's just not a flamethrower.
Oh, okay.
It says right here.
I thought they had a thing.
Not a flamethrower, version 1.
Oh, it does say that right on there. Huh? It does say non-flamethrower.
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
I'm happy.
That's all that matters. Still good.
I don't know, man. I don't know if you can call that good.
Some people just like to watch the world burn. That man is Kevin Gorby.
Don't say that. I'm supposed to be saving it.
With a flamethrower?
Yeah, I'm not doing a good job.
I was reaching for my camera to go take out, and then I thought, why does it need a break? Do I really need to go shoot? Maybe I won't shoot this video. I'll just shoot B-rolls for videos for the future. When is there a time when it's okay to not shoot video?